Arnab, Piyush, can I come in?
Yeah, please,
Apart
please,
from
please.
Arnab, I have to ask you.
No, it's all right. Please continue. No sarcasm tonight. Thank you very much. Yes.
No.
Let Navika also come.
I'm letting Navika come in right
What
after
I was saying
Piyush.
that I would agree with you. Yeah, I would agree with you when you said that there is a conscious attempt to encash anger. But then encashing anger together with a kind of polarizing figure he is, I'm worried. There are psychic barricades in Gujarat. Is he going to replicate those psychic barricades all over India?
What barricades?
If anger and those psychic barricades amalgamate,
What
Sir,
barricades?
use some language we understanding.
No, what
Simple
barricades?
language.
psychic barricades, I said.
What is a
In
psychic
Gujarat,
barricade?
in
I'm
every
sorry.
locality, you
What is-
have
Psychic barricades.
psychic barricade means there are localities where we say we live and they live. That the very
I don't
idea
think
of
you've been.
demonizing
When is the
other
last
community,
time he went
this
to
is called
Gujarat? I would
psychic.
like to know. When did you last visit Gujarat and see
1
the
month
excellent
back, 1 month
development
back,
work that has happened
Mr.
there for
Piyush Goyal.
everybody?
Mr. Piyush Goyal, let me correct. We have been working on an inclusive model through certain NGOs in Gujarat.
No, when did you last
understand
visit
that.
Gujarat and see
Gujarat
the
is a
good
wounded
development
society.
work that people are hailing in Gujarat,
I mean that
they are enjoying in Gujarat?
Piyush, listen to the other side.
No, I'm not asking a
That government does not
question.
see the Dalits or the tribals.
When
or
did
the
you last
minorities
go when you
that
saw
is
these
confined
cyclic
to
barriers?
communities.
We just want to know when you went and saw those barriers.
Why don't you listen to him?
Piyush,
Listen.
you cannot see those barriers because you have those in them. You already have in yourself.
No,
Your
the
party
question
has.
here is
your ideology has.
The question is
You
the
are-
secular,
your ideology
non-secular
is-
divide, and on that question, I'd like to go back to Navika. You see the secular, non-secular divide. Now, if you look at it from the Congress, if you look at it, for example, from Rajiv Shukla's point of view, he handles Parliament. It now presents person like Rajiv Shukla with an opportunity. Because the bigger the threat from the other side, Navika, the stronger the reason on this side to come together. For political reasons, parliamentary reasons, or whatever. Do you think the secular, non-secular divide will now be the cornerstone of the Congress counter-response to Modi?
Absolutely, that's the only cow that they can milk now, because if you actually heard Narendra Modi's speech very clearly, he's decided to provoke the Congress. He's taken on Manmohan Singh, he's taken on Sonia Gandhi, and he's virtually dared them that if these are not my opponents, then bring Rahul Gandhi into the fray. That's the provocation speech that he's done today. Very carefully stuck to Manmohan Singh, stuck to criticizing Sonia Gandhi, talked about the NAC, talked about the Prime Minister's response to Maoism, to the battle on Naxals, clearly pointing out to the kind of achievements. He talked about the Minister for External Affairs, he talked about the Law Minister, he's taken jibes at everyone. Well, he certainly didn't forget to take a jibe at Rahul Gandhi.
Precisely.
He's deliberately not done it because he now wants the Congress to decide
Navika,
who he's supposed to take on. Will the Congress shy away from that?
That is the question. Will the Congress shy away?
The only tool that the Congress has is the communal versus
That is the
secular
eye of
card.
the fish. Therefore,
that is the only card that the Congress
so
will now
Rajiv Shukla, Rahul Gandhi has made his aversion for negative politics. You know, he used the word negative politics known. Now, on the other side, a person like Narendra Modi, he will want to engage with Rahul Gandhi directly and draw him into the battle. And everyone's going to say, if Rahul Gandhi is going to be a leader, let him get drawn into the battle. Can Rahul Gandhi avoid a confrontation? And if Rahul Gandhi avoids a confrontation, will people not ask why Rahul Gandhi is avoiding the confrontation? You know, in some circles that may wash that Rahul Gandhi is not wanting negative politics, but the people of the country will ask, why is Rahul Gandhi running away from a fight? Will he want to get into this fight?
Well, he's not running away from the fight. When elections will be declared, he will be there for the campaign in the entire country. He'll be campaigning and will be responding to all the allegations which will be raised against the UPA government. He's not going to shy away. We all are going to face it. under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi.
No, but
it's
Rahul-
not that we can't rebuttal, we can't respond to Modi's utterances. We can always respond to his utterances. The question which Navika is pointing out, the kind of language he is using, the personal attack which he is making, we congressmen are also capable of doing that. But Rahul Gandhi is saying, don't do negative politics. Just give with positive agenda of yours to the people of the country. Because that day we have won 2004 election.
4 minutes on the debate.
2009 election.
4 minutes on the
I just
debate.
want to conclude this secularism debate once and for all.
He can, what is his speech? He loves, Arnav, he loves ridiculing others. He will ridicule everyone, law minister, external affairs minister.
Well, your law minister doesn't have the courtesy how to treat a senior minister.
As if Gujaratis were nothing. I have done everything to Gujarat. Gujaratis have been doing well for last 200 years. They brought laurels to this country. Overseas also they earned name. But just a person who has become chief minister in last 17-20 years, he says, I have given everything to Gujarat. Gujarat was zero. Gujaratis were zero. I am the one who has given everything to Gujarat.
I don't know where they hear
No, in the 4 minutes on the... No, watch it.
Gujarat had 4% growth in the Congress rule.
BJP wants to respond, and Kamal Farooqui, 1 second after
I want
this.
to talk about secularism.
You want to talk about secularism, but on an understanding that the moment you complete your
I'll be
point...
quiet.
No. That I will let Kamal Farooqui respond.
Done.
No, because he
See,
has listened on very patiently.
Arnab,
So yes,
Arnab.
here's the point on secularism. Kamal Farooqui, here
this-
closely, I want you to respond to this.
Arnab, this nation now has seen enough of their tokenism for the minority community. This nation
There
is now
means-
fed up that they have only been making promises, misusing the minorities as a vote bank. Here we have
Who
a
are you
leader.
talking of, Congress or SP?
Both these parties and many other political
Congress and
parties,
SP.
yes,
Okay,
they have
okay.
been using minoritism as a vote bank. They have kept these people in deprivation and
is that?
deprived them of
Who
a
has
good
fooled
life
Hindus?
just so that they remain
have
their vote
fooled
bank.
Hindus in the
And
name of
earlier
Ayodhya
they used to.
temple.
No.
Well,
They
now
have
let me
taken
finish.
vote for Ayodhya.
Earlier they used to. Earlier they
Those
used
who
to
have
talk of
followed
the
Hindus, they are
Pakistan
telling
bogie.
us.
Now they talk of the secularism bogie.
They
They
make
cannot
fool out of
recognize
Hindus.
that Modi has brought
Why
development to that
One
state
second.
far beyond what you did in 50 years.
One second, okay.
Temple in Ayodhya.
Yeah, one
Modi
second.
has brought development far beyond the Congress development.
1 second. Now responses from Congress and SP. Mr. Shukla.
Piyush, what did you do to Ayodhya?
No, 1 second. Okay.
We did not do anything.
1 second.
You have been fooling Hindus. You didn't do anything. for
Okay,
Hindus.
Kamal Farooqui on the issue of secularism.
Shila Puja was allowed by your leader who made promises that he will allow a temple but didn't do anything
Now,
about it.
gentlemen, Kamal Farooqui. Kamal Farooqi's
You
response.
kindly allow Piyush
Twice
to
you
come.
were elected, but you didn't
Would
do
you kindly
anything.
allow Piyush?
1 second.
6 years you were in power in government.
Mr. Shukla, I'm letting Kamal Farooqui come in. Please, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, for heaven's sake, let us not make it a Hindu-Muslim kind of fight.
Great.
We are talking in a general sense. We are talking of a person who has been talking all these ill about various communities, more particularly about the minorities, what he has done, and who has been bulldozing not only the other people but his own party people also. The party which he in fact was projected, but that is their own. He has been talking all those uncivilized words even today. So in fact that is his culture.
Okay,
and
gentlemen.
will
Okay,
continue
now
that.
time up.
And this will be dividing the whole country.
Gentlemen, there are many questions here. Clearly, one thing is clear to me, that Narendra Modi's anointment today will be a turning point. It will be a watershed, and I think that Mr. Shukla's party and Mr. Rajiv Gowda's party will have to reassess how they respond to this situation, and I will have this debate followed up next time, not just on personalities, gentlemen, but on the issues both sides must address. Thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour Debate tonight.